How to take flat frames. Flat frames are going to be taken in the presence of light. This can be either natural light such as dusk or dawn, or with an electronically illuminated light such as tablet with a white screen. I've been diffusing the light by carefully wrapping a white t-shirt around my telescope and then using a white screen in front of the camera. When you take flat frames, it is very important that you do not change your focus or disassemble your camera and your telescope or lens. It is important that the dust on your lenses don't move in your optical train. Switch your camera mode to AV, aperture priority. Your camera will determine the optimal shutter speed for you. Use the same ISO as your light frames. Temperature does not matter in flat frames, but try to take them as soon as possible so you don't risk the dust moving in your lenses. About 30 flat frames is good amount.